Now, let us solve this problem. Okay, so this is integral 0 to infinity t to the power of minus 3 by 2 1 plus e to the power of minus t dt. Now, now integration by parts. So this will be brackets minus 2 multiplied 1 minus e to the power of minus t, okay, and t to the power of minus 1 by 2. Okay. 0 to infinity plus integral 0 to infinity e to the power minus t into 2 t to the power of minus half dt. Now, after simplifying this, by applying L'Hopital's rule, so this will be 1 minus e to the power minus t multiplied t to the power of minus half 0 to infinity, which is equal to 1 minus e to the power of minus t divided by t to the power of minus half 0 to infinity, which is equal to 0. So this is by applying L'Hopital's rule. Okay. Now further, now to integral 0 to infinity e to the power of minus t to the power of minus half dt is equal to 2 gamma 1 by 2, okay, which is equal to 2 root pi. Okay, so this is the solution. Okay. Yeah, so we'll look at another problem. Now let us look at integral 0 to pi by 2 sine p x cos qx dx. Okay, so this can be written as 1 by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 sine p x power minus 1 cos q minus 1 x to 2 sin x cos x dx. Okay. Now this is equal to 1 by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2. This is sine square x p minus 1 by 2 1 minus sine square x q minus 1 by 2 2 sine x cos x dx. So t is equal to sine square x dt is 2 sine x cos x dx. Okay, and t varies from 0 to 1. Okay, so let us substitute it. So this is integral 0 to 1. Okay, for t is equal to 0, this is 1 by 2 t power p minus 1 by 2 1 minus t q minus 1 by 2. This is dt. So which is equal to 1 by 2 beta p plus 1 by 2 q plus 1 by 2. Okay, now this is equal to um, gamma p plus 1 by 2 gamma q plus 1 by 2 divided by 2 gamma p plus q plus 2 by 2. Yeah, using beta m comma n, which is equal to gamma m gamma n by gamma m plus n. Okay, now let us prove that gamma 1 by 2 is equal to root pi, right? So we know that uh, integral 0 to pi by 2 sine px cos qx dx is equal to gamma p plus 1 by 2 and gamma q plus 1 by 2 divided by 2 gamma p plus q plus 2 divided by 2. Yeah, let us use this. So here so if you put p and q as 0, so this will be integral 0 to pi by 2 dx, which is equal to uh, gamma half and gamma half by 2 gamma 1. Okay, so gamma 1 is 1, right? So this will be whole square, gamma 1 by 2 gamma whole square. Okay, 2. So on the left hand side you get pi by 2. Yeah, this is now this is gamma half whole square by 2, right? So these two gets cancelled. So gamma half is equal to root pi. So let us prove this. Okay, so we know that integral 0 to pi by 2 sine px cos qx dx is equal to gamma p plus 1 by 2 gamma q plus 1 by 2 divided by 2 gamma p plus q plus 2 divided by 2. So here p is n and q is 0. Yeah. So on substituting it, so 0 to pi by 2 sine power n x dx, okay, which is equal to gamma n plus 1 by 2 gamma 1 by 2 divided by 2 gamma n plus 2 by 2. Okay, so here so gamma 1 by 2 is root pi. So by substituting it, we get the right hand side, which is n plus 1 by 2 uh, by gamma n plus 2 by 2 root pi by 2. Yeah, so this is the final answer. Now let us prove this. Here again considering integral 0, we'll prove this. Okay, pi by 2 sine px cos qx dx is equal to gamma p plus 1 by 2 and gamma q plus 1 by 2 divided by 2 gamma p plus q plus 2 is divided by 2. Now by substituting p is equal to 0 and q is equal to n. Okay, so this is 0 to 2 cos nx dx. So this will be gamma plus 1 by 2 divided by gamma n plus 2 by 2. Yeah, and this is root 5 by 2. Okay, so this is the answer. So let us solve this. Now let us put x as 4y. Yeah, so dx will be 4 dy. So okay, so for x 0, y 0. Okay, for x as 4, y is 1. Okay, so this will be integral 0 to 1. This is 2 root y multiplied 4 minus 4y. This is 3 by 2 into 4 dy. Okay, so which is 8 multiplied 4 to the power of 3 by 2 integral 0 to 1. Okay, y to the power of half 1 minus y is 3 by 2 dy. Okay, so that would be is 64 beta 3 by 2 comma 5 by 2. Okay. Let us solve this problem. Yeah, so again substituting x as 2y, so dx is 2 dy. So when you substitute x as 0, so y will be 0, and x as 2, y will be 1. Okay, so this will be integral 0 to 1. Okay, this is 2y whole cube square root of 2 minus 2y to 2 dy. This is equal to 16 root 2 integral 0 to 1 y cube 1 minus y to the power of half dy. Okay, so which is equal to 16 root 2 beta 4.3 by 2. Okay, please subscribe for more videos.